Back to the channel, guys. Just a reminder, Sunday, Outlaw Speed Shop, street drags, the tow car is ready. Yeah, if you see me out, I should be able to have some stickers out there if you catch up and you want one. I've just been stuff-arsing around with the points. The most stupid point setup I've ever seen. It's got like this little, the spring that opens the points actually clamps the two wires onto it. One of them had fallen out. I broke down the main street here in Murray Bridge. So I popped and farted all the way home, and I thought it was a carby problem, but yeah. Anyway, she's running again, and you should see her on Sunday, hopefully. Tow bar's on. As you can see, there's not a lot of room there, so I had to change around the number plate a little bit and cut the bracket off. Yeah, I have to leave the tow bar off until I'm ready to tow, otherwise cops will get me. Besides that, it was quite a pleasant little drive today, besides breaking down and then shitting myself about having to not get home. So, anyway guys, just a reminder, Sunday, off-street drag racing. Racing starts at 11. You've got till 5 o'clock tonight to nominate if you want to. Big more the merrier. Yeah, stay tuned and I'll see you Sunday.